So today I'm going to talk about sports versus education and the benefits that sports has on education. First, I'm going to talk about sports participation. So in 2010 to 2011, more than 7.6 million high school students played sports, and now that number is over 8 million students as of today. The National Federation of State High School Associations estimates that 55.5% of all high school students plays a sport. The most common sport, according to the survey, is basketball. 18,150 schools have a boys basketball team, and 17,767 schools has a girls basketball team. Football has the most participants among all high school sports, with more than 1.1 million students playing at 14,000 schools. As of right now, the fastest growing sport is girls lacrosse, and girls made up 41% of all student athletes, and that is a 5% increase from 1991. So, benefits according to the University of Rochester. Students have shown that exercise increases blood flow to the brain and helps the body build more connections between nerves. This is leading to increased concentration, enhanced memory, stimulated creativity, and better developed problem-solving skills. Therefore, playing sports helps your brain grow and makes it work better. Exercising is a great way to get out of the stressful school life that is all about homework, presentations, and group projects. Playing sports helps students relax and reduces their anxiety. The belief that intense exercise of playing sports will leave you exhausted has been proven wrong by research. Benefits of playing sports actually include giving you more energy to accomplish everything else you need to do to manage your busy school schedule. So, benefits according to Stratford School. Playing sports teaches kids to be accountable. Learning about personal accountability is an essential part of success in the classroom. Sports help students understand the importance of taking responsibility for getting their work done on time and being accountable for a poor grade instead of blaming outside situations. A child participating in sports regularly receives powerful psychological benefits, including decreased rates of anxiety and depression, increased reported well-being, and improved body image. STEM education is based on providing lessons based on real-world examples and requires students to work together to finish a project or reach a goal. Sports is a great example that teaches kids how to work together in order to be successful. Self-confidence is an essential part of success in sports, school, and work, and physical activity plays a strong role in increasing self-esteem. Higher self-esteem translates well to academic success from working on a new project to speaking up during class discussions. Benefits according to Edutopia. A University of Kansas study looking at the performance of students in grades 9 to 12 showed that more than 97% of student athletes graduated high school, 10% higher than those students who had never participated in sports. Athletes were shown to have a better GPA outcome than non-athletes. Research published by the Canadian Fitness and Lifestyle Research Institute states that exercise can lead to a unique state of short-term relaxation. That relaxation can promote increased concentration, better memory, enhanced creativity, more effective problem solving, and an improved mood. all benefits that will extend into the classroom. Sports plays happen fast, and athletes develop and the skills needed to make effective and quick decisions. Athletes learn critical decision-making skills that will benefit them both during and after game time. Any athlete who has played in a championship game knows the meaning of pressure, and they know how to make consistent and difficult decisions under high-pressure situations. This ability to function under pressure translates to a person who is willing and better at making deadlines and working in stressful situations in the future. The time commitment required by athletes can be comparable to that of a full-time job. Necessarily demands that athletes learn valuable time management skills, otherwise they would never be able to keep up with the academics and the sports. And these are the resources that I used for this presentation.